Hey everyone, and welcome to my video for today. I've got this accidental page here that's in my Dylusions journal, and you'll have to excuse my fingers because I did actually use some Dylusions ink this morning and it has stained my hands. I have got some Dylusions paint here that I am going to cover up this accidental page with. Now, first of all, I do have my little arrow tag making sure that I have got my art journal up the right way. So this is just a nice reminder for me to make sure that I do have my journal the right way and not upside down. Now, I do have a foam blending tool here, and this is a great way to apply this paint onto a page. It's nice and quick and easy, but it does give a really even coverage to the page. Now, after I've dried this off, I'm going to go in with another colour of Dylusion paint here. And I've got this Dylusion stencil here, and I'm going to apply the paint through the stencil using a blending tool. This is a great technique to do and gives a really good finish. Now, I've got a border stencil here, and I'm going to do exactly the same thing and apply the black marble paint through the stencil with a blending tool. This is a great way to add a border to your page. Now, I'm just going to mask off the middle of the page here just with the packaging of the stencil, because I don't want the border to go onto my other side here, even though it does, and I think that's an accidental oops. Now, I'm just going to accentuate these diamond shapes that I did previous, and I've just got a fine Sharpie pen and I'm just going around the diamond bits here. This will add some really good interest to the page background. I've also got a white gel pen here, and I'm just going to go and doodle in the black area where I put the border stencil around. Now, before doing this, I do make sure that this is all dry. I did leave it for a while, so I went away and then came back just to finish filming, and also that would make sure that it is dry. If it's not dry, your pen will not work. Now, I have got the Dylusions collage paper also, so I'm just going to go into my box here, and this is stuff that I've already cut out. I normally do this in front of the telly, and I find it's really good, so I just fussy cut them out just so they're all ready to go and ready for gluing. So I've got the picture of the girl with the lolly head, and that is me because I'm a bit of a sweet loving person. So, and my husband and I will be going, yes, I totally agree with you. So I'm just arranging some pieces onto my page just so I can collage these down. Now, I do normally just use a glue stick, and the brand I use is just Yoo-Hoo. It's nice and readily available. I just get it from my local Woolies or Coles. I don't use a wet glue because I don't want it seeping out the sides, and also sometimes it can wrinkle up when you're collaging onto a paper as well. So just a glue stick is all you really need. So I have got some Dylusions sentiments that I've already stamped out, and what I have picked today is what you believe in becomes true, believe in something absurd. So I liked this sentiment because I thought it was really fitting, because I am a bit of a sweet tooth, and yeah, I do love my lollies, so I thought I would just pick this today. So just cutting them all out, and then I will just glue these onto my page using my glue stick. So I'm just going to go around with a fine Sharpie pen in black just around my girl and all my flowers and bits and pieces on my page, just so they pop, and this will give them a bit of dimension also. Now don't forget, all the products that I am using in today's video will be listed over on my website, and my website link will be down below. So if you are wondering what products or colours that I'm using, just head over to my website. Now if you are new to art journaling, this is a really good way to make a start by using collage onto a background. So it takes a lot of thinking out as well, and I find the Diane Reevely or the Dylusions collage sets are really good, so I do love using them. Now that's my art journal page finished for today. I hope you did enjoy this, and if you have, don't forget, give me those thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing to my channel, and don't forget that notification bell. Until next time everybody, stay safe and happy creating. See ya!